Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's lecture is about metabolism and enzymes. Metabolism is the term related to the energy required or energy released during carrying on different life processes within the cells or organisms. And enzymes, you know the term enzyme, how enzymes help in carrying out or conducting different reactions during the life processes which involve energy uptake, which require energy or which release energy. So let's talk about this topic in detail. You know, from food webs to the life of a cell, how energy regulates. Energy is the source of doing activities in any organism. So small insects, they take energy from plants, and rat in turn takes energy from insects, and so on. So this is kind of food chain as well, or the from where the energy is taken. So cells are the basic unit for carrying out all these processes. How energy flows through life. Sunlight or solar energy, it is consumed by many organic molecules to conduct many chemical reactions. So the solar energy is used in the photosynthesis, in terms of in the plants, and the plants build the food for many animals. The food is actually the organic molecules, and these organic molecules are eaten up by animals, and these organic molecules produce ATPs and various other organic molecules in different organisms. And these organic molecules again produce, when they are eaten up by other next level of organisms, they produce different type of energy in the form of ATP, and various other organic molecules are produced. So this kind of energy cycle, or food cycle, it keeps on going on Earth. Metabolism actually is chemical reactions, the concept about chemical reactions happening or occurring within the cell. So forming bond between molecules, it happens through dehydration synthesis. Dehydration means water is removed and two molecules, organic molecules, they join together to produce larger molecule. These are type of anabolic reactions. Breaking bond between molecules happens through the process of hydrolysis, and this is the digestion process in which larger molecules get converted into smaller molecules, and this is the example of catabolic reactions. You see, anabolic and catabolic reactions are summarized here. This is kind of anabolic reaction in which two molecules, they join together to form to construct a larger molecule. They are used up in the synthesis, and water is released during this reaction, and this is therefore called dehydration dehydration step. And in the hydrolysis means water will be added up in a larger molecule, and it will split, the water will split larger organic molecule into two smaller molecules or several smaller molecules. And you can see in the background there is the utilization of enzymes to conduct all these reactions. These are kind of anabolic and catabolic reactions. This is the typical example for the synthesis of sucrose from glucose and fructose, and through enzyme, in the presence of enzyme, and water is released, and here sucrose is converted. This product is converted in the presence of water to glucose and fructose. So this is the whole concept of this anabolic and catabolic reactions, where water is removed and water is added up in two different steps in the presence of enzymes. Chemical reactions and energy. Let's talk about the chemical reactions. Some chemical reactions release energy. They are exergonic, in which polymers or larger molecules are broken down into smaller molecules. And this is kind of a catabolic reaction. And in this form, products are at lower energy state because this removes energy, this excretes energy. And some chemical reactions require input of energy. कुछ reactions में heavier molecule या photosynthesis के लिए let's suppose energy चाहिए होगी, और इसमें इन ऐसे रिएक्शंस को एनाबॉलिक रिएक्शन कहा जाता है, जिसमें बॉन्ड मेकिंग के लिए एनर्जी चाहिए हो बड़े हैवियर मॉलिक्यूल्स के लिए, और इसमें जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं दे आर एट हायर एनर्जी स्टेट्स, और मॉलिक्यूल्स के अंदर ज़्यादा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है एज कम्पेयर टू एक्सर्गोनिक रिएक्शंस.